President Jong ka Voice of the People Party lani VPP uba Ardent mila basayaw mo ulapan pau ka jing kersan jong usha kipatba ka Garo Hills hapadeng ka jingya kanaan halor ka jingya persang jong kibomday ki try muruk ban yakun ya ka election MDC. Haga kubor video balapan mi uba Ardent Miller basayaw mo ulaong ba mau bat ka party jong ki yang ringkat bat kipatba ka Garo Hills ha ka jingya le man yada ya ka culture ka rukom im ka kendo bat ki hok jong ki try Ulakanno aru ya ka Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance lani MDA bakalafil ban khanglat yakani ka jing yakan at. Ulaong ba ula jura yakani kamat hapo kaying dorbar hakapor jing yalang budget haba ula maham ba ki jingkren bom perkhat bha jong kinong yalam ka Sarkar kila ban wanra jing ha ka jela. Kat kum ka jing yathu jong ki jingkren ki baong ba omla ban khang ya ki bomdai ki try jela ban yakun ya ka election MDC kila penslur ya ki kattu kat ni ban persang ban yashim benta ha ka election ka balalam cha ka jing ha ka benta ka an bat ka sangsuk songsan ha Garo Hills. Uba Ardent Miller basayaw mo ulapan kan mauru ba ka Meghalaya kadai ki jela jong ki jaj ben riu try ri bat shua ban yo jela ki nong yalam barim kila yakun chitom ban penyo ya ka jing yada ka bekerpang lengba ka 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. Ulaong baka 6th schedule jong ka Constitution of India kam day ka jing ais ngobha hanray ka day ka jing mi na ka jing yakun ka jing yale bat ka jing IT jong kinong yalam barim ban pinskem ya ki hok jong ki jaj ban riu try jela. Hakajo kapor ulakentu ya ki patba ka Garo Hills bakin hiar na kanu ka jing Iakhih ka badon jing yakan at lani ka jing pen ya julor. Ula maham ba ka jingale da ka jingyakan at kan ailat ya ka Sarkar ban pendon kam da kibor ban penstom ya ki patba. Ula karpat ba ka jingyaki ban yada ya ki hok jong ki trairi kan day ban long da kilat ki bajai bat ki basuk da kwa peteng ya ka jingyaki patba henry hakarukom ka basyong suk.
Well, my dear brothers and sisters of Garo Hills, with a deep sense of responsibility and with a heavy heart, I would like to convey this message to each and every one of you. First and foremost, I would like to say that we stand in solidarity with you in your fight for the preservation and protection of your culture, your traditions, your land, and your practices. Secondly, I strongly condemn the failure of the government to prevent this unfortunate incidents, which is preventable. Indeed, I had raised this matter in the assembly during the budget session, where I had made a mention and questioned the leadership of the MDA government when they openly gave a statement that we cannot stop the non-tribal from participating and contesting the MDC election in Garo Hills. I had made a mention in my submission that this careless and irresponsible statement will have a very serious implication, and I have been proven right with the present law and order situation in Garo Hills, which arises out of the attempt on the part of the non-tribals to contest this MDC election, given the fact that they were encouraged by these kind of statements made by the leadership in the MDA government. I would also like to remind each one of us that Meghalaya is a tribal state. And before we attained statehood, our leaders in the past had fought relentlessly to get a special protection and a special provision in the form of the sixth schedule to be incorporated in the Constitution of India. I had been saying this, and I will say it now, that the sixth schedule is not a free gift of the government of India to us. It was a result of the unwavering resolve, struggle and sacrifices, and after an intense deliberation and counter arguments made by our leaders in the Constituent Assembly, which has culminated in the inclusion of the sixth schedule into the Constitution of India. So therefore, as the children of the soil, we need to understand that the incorporation of the sixth schedule into the Constitution of India is to ensure that the rights of the indigenous people of the state in the tribal areas are guaranteed, are well taken care of. However, looking at the statement made by the present leadership, I will not be hesitated to say that they have the least concern for the interest of the tribal people. It seems they are yet to understand the struggle made by our leaders in the past and the sentiments of the present generation. Therefore, I feel that as an indigenous people of the state, we must come together and fight for the special protection to be given to the indigenous people of the state. However, I would like to make a humble request and a sincere appeal to all my brothers and sisters in Garo to refrain from any violent means of protest, because it will only give a government an advantage to unleash terror into the population. So therefore, let us take this fight through a non-violence means where we can undertake many other agitational programs in a peaceful manner. So with these few words, I would once again express my concern and support on behalf of the Voice of the People Party to our Garo brothers and sisters in your fight for the protection and preservation of your rights. Thank you.